Want to make your Android phone look transparent or even invisible? It's actually a cool trick using your phone's camera and a live wallpaper app. In this video, I'll show you how to make your phone screen look transparent using a simple app. Let's make your phone transparent right now. So first, open up the Play Store app on your Android phone. Then tap on the search icon below. Now type Transparent Mode. Here you will find the app called TM Real Transparent Screen by Skewee. Tap on it and then install it. Next, tap Open. Wait for a few seconds, then tap on Go. Now allow this to take pictures. Then access this. To do that, scroll down and find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Then go back. Here it is. Now you can see that transparent mode is enabled and working. Let's explore this. It's awesome, isn't it? Although I am not promoting this app, guys. This is not a sponsor. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.